हर कोई बायो सीएनजी प्लांट देख रहा है, लेकिन स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स इकोसिस्टम देखते हैं। A successful CBG park isn't just about producing gas. It's about choosing the right location, the right infrastructure, and the right long-term business ecosystem. As India's industrial ecosystem expands, regions around the emerging UP Defence Corridor are witnessing rapid infrastructure development, manufacturing growth, and improved connectivity. A strategically planned CBG Park in such an ecosystem can create long-term value through stronger supply chains, better logistics, and future-ready infrastructure. The opportunity isn't just Bio-CNG. It's building infrastructure that grows with India's industrial future. If you're planning a CBG park, let's discuss the possibilities with KEC Agritech.